The vastness of space, our Earth appears serene, yet a closer look reveals a planet under immense strain, scarred by pollution and the harsh grip of drought. Our traditional farming, while vital, has sometimes depleted the very soil that feeds us, leading to diminished yields and wasted resources. But a powerful solution is emerging. Artificial intelligence offers a path to smarter, more sustainable agriculture. It can help us restore our land, optimize resources, and secure a prosperous future for farming. This is not just technology, it is the dawn of agriculture reimagined. This new era empowers every farmer to cultivate a healthier, more abundant world. Together, we can heal our planet and grow a future filled with hope.
Artificial intelligence is transforming agricultural foresight. Farmers can now accurately predict weather patterns, precisely monitor humidity, and detect early signs of pest outbreaks. This proactive capability allows for critical intervention long before potential threats escalate into widespread damage, safeguarding valuable crops. AI models integrate vast historical climate data with real-time sensor inputs. This sophisticated analysis generates highly accurate risk forecasts, empowering agricultural businesses with actionable intelligence. Such data-driven insights enable swift, targeted responses, optimizing resource allocation and significantly enhancing crop protection strategies. Adopting AI and predictive analytics leads directly to more efficient and sustainable farming practices. By anticipating challenges, the need for broad-spectrum chemical applications is reduced, fostering healthier plant ecosystems. This translates into improved crop yields, enhanced food quality, and greater overall profitability for agricultural enterprises.
Technology is transforming how we farm. Drones now efficiently scan vast fields, quickly identifying areas needing attention, such as dry spots or early signs of disease. Robots are revolutionizing labor, assisting with precise planting, targeted weeding, and even delicate harvesting. Their accuracy minimizes crop damage and maximizes yield. This is the essence of precision agriculture, delivering exactly what each plant requires, precisely when and where it's needed. This approach optimizes resource use, preventing waste. Leveraging artificial intelligence, these technologies help us conserve water, reduce chemical inputs, and enhance crop quality. Ultimately, this leads to more sustainable and profitable farming practices.
AI is truly changing how we farm, and more importantly, why. It empowers us to cultivate our land more sustainably than ever before. Imagine reducing chemical use, conserving precious water, and protecting biodiversity. AI makes this possible, helping us grow food that nourishes both people and our planet. The future of farming is here. It's smart, it's green, and it's driven by the incredible potential of AI. Embrace this progress for a thriving tomorrow. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it inspired you to think differently about the future of agriculture.